So before this video gets started, if you're a gig worker and you want to make extra money, there's a new company called Fetti that's the future of jobs. All you have to do is enter your email below, answer a couple of questions, and within 2 minutes, they're gonna send you a list of high-paying jobs that you can do from anywhere in the country. And who knows, you could actually make a ton of money. And they're actually looking for gig workers specifically. So sign up, enter your email, link below, and let's get started with the video.
Senate committee sends Uber and Lyft regulations to floor without recommendation. Guys, this was literally just yesterday.
Oh, wow, it was.
This was posted yesterday.
Who is that? Stephen Cooper.
Yeah.
Attorney for Minnesota Uber Lyft Drivers Association. Interesting.
That is interesting.
So, Senate Judiciary Committee voted to send a bill regulating Uber and Lyft to the floor. I really don't like passing bills out of this committee that I don't think are ready to become law. Right now, I don't think this language is ready to become law. Uber and Lyft drivers minimum... it aims to give guarantee Uber and Lyft drivers minimum wage. So this is a new law that would boost drivers' income and better insurance coverage and protections against being unfairly deactivated. This is huge, guys.
Yeah.
So... basically the government could be raising rates for drivers.
Oh.
With minimum wage.
The federal government?
No, I think it's Minnesota government.
Just Minnesota?
I don't know. Senate Judiciary Committee voted. Maybe not. Senate Judiciary Committee.
And then I don't know whether or not there's the premium or what Uber charges, whatever. My point is that...
Then why are you talking about it, buddy? People in the government are an absolute joke. I don't know what it's about, but yeah, I'm going to make the law on it. Yeah, I don't even know how much it costs, but I'm going to write the law on it. This is where your hard-earned taxpayer dollars are paying this guy's salary. Jeez Louise. It's a fugazi, it's a fugazi, it's a wazi, it's a woozy. The goose is on the other side of the gander.